Hi everybody, Dave here with my friend Sean. We're working on 1-2 combinations, so we'll come this side. Okay, so he's throwing punches, he's throwing a jab cross. All right, we're in I hami, we're both in right hami. So he throws the jab, I'm trying not to bait. The jab is a baiting punch. So he's setting me up for that. So I don't rush in, I'm just tapping it away, and I'm keeping my hands close to me. So, okay, he throws a punch, he throws the other punch. And I'm just gonna do basically a basic X block, deflection, whatever you wanna call it. This is a nice X block. It protects the side of your head, it protects your body. So, he throws a jab, 1, 2. And then from here, if his arm stays high, I could do an arm entwinement, take him down and around, down, here, pin, whatever may come. Try that again. Comes in, here. Simple arm entwinement based off of 1-2 punch combo. Visit us online at martialweightdojo.com or in Mount Ephraim, New Jersey. We'll see you next time.